Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will learn how to formatting our charts in Microsoft Excel. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Let us begin. We have this chart and we have no label, no legend, no chart name. Go to this plus sign, click into this, and here we have different elements, axis title. Here we can add x-axis title and y-axis title. In the x-axis title, we have companies. Y-axis title, sales. Also, you can change the color of the font. Click into color, which color you prefer. You can choose it. Now let us add chart title. Here we have, for example, monthly sales. This is the chart title. Here we have different elements. This is give us the number on the chart, data label, data table, error bars, legend, and also trending. It gives us maybe the best fit line. For example, this is the linear. As you can see, it gives us the best fit line. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comment.